I've never seen anyone charged with murder or manslaughter and then allowed to go home. This decision reeks of favoritism within the Department of Justice. It is unacceptable. It looks like an effort to hide information from the press, And the Supreme Court of Canada 37 years ago said that one of the hallmarks of our democratic system is that justice be done openly, and that the very soul of justice and the security of securities is that justice be administered in a non-arbitrary manner according to the rule of law. Somebody in this particular case decided to make a decision to keep the names of the individuals private and to not charge them right away and to bring them into court. This had to go all the way to the chief of police office at a minimum, and maybe to the Minister of Justice. And I think they have to account for why these individuals were given such special treatment in this circumstance. This is just unacceptable justice, and it is not having justice in the public forum so that people can look at and understand and comment on what has happened.
When it comes to the decision to hold someone in custody, I understand that there's a few things that they consider, including, proving identity, flight risk, public safety. Why is it, do you think, that the police determined that these guards were not a risk to public safety or a flight risk versus some of the clients that you've defended in the past who have been arrested for manslaughter or murder?
Every single individual that I have had released with respect to persons charged with serious offenses always had that release according to judicial determinations and judicial releases. These individuals were shown favoritism. I do not know of anyone else in the system, in the province, who's been charged with manslaughter or murder, who has been released on a private undertaking to appear or a promise to appear. The proper circumstances in this case would have been for people to appear before a judge, a justice, and to be released according to that due process. These people were given a shortcut to being released. It's favoritism. It's favoritism because they are prison guards. It's favoritism because most likely they are white individuals. It's favoritism because the person involved in this was an Aboriginal man.